Good morning, Sanjana.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we have the Sanjana Chitte, and right now in her level 3, but just at the end of her level 2 program, going to give a demo of her photo visual addition. And this number that she's chosen is a triple digit number 102, and this she does till 150 times, right? So are we ready, Sanjana?
Yes.
So let you start.
102, 204, 306, 408, 510, 612, 714, 816, 918, 1020, 1122, 1224, 1346, 1428, 1530, 1632, 1734, 1836, 1938, 2040, 2142, 2244, 2346, 2448, 2550, 2652, 2754, 2856, 2958, 3060, 3162, 3264, 3366, 3468, 3570, 3672, 3774, 3876, 3978, 4080, 4182, 4284, 4386,
Yes.
4488,
Right.
4590,
Right.
4692,
Mm.
4794, 4894,
96.
96, 4998, 5100.
Right. Very good, Sanjana. That was absolutely wonderful. Keep it up, right? Sir, good girl.